Every Kazakhstani has known the taste of kurt since childhood. Many have made it by hand with their grandmothers in rural villages. Anyone who has tried it remembers its salty taste with a hint of tartness. It is popular, healthy, and satisfying. Today, kurt is produced on an industrial scale, so one can enjoy the flavor of the Kazakh steppes without leaving the city. Manufacturers ensure that they preserve centuries-old traditions and the original recipe for this fermented dairy product. It is highly popular beyond Kazakhstan as well. Historically, nomadic peoples required nutritious, healthy food with a long shelf life. Kurt is a rich source of calcium and does not require specific storage conditions. Furthermore, no preservatives are used during preparation, which is a significant advantage. Let's take a look at how kurt is made. Kazakhs prepare kurt from suzbi. Suzbi is a curd mass obtained by dehydrating ayran, yogurt drink. But first, the facility must obtain the milk. The cows are fed exclusively on natural fodder, ensuring the highest quality of milk. The cows always wait their turn. Milking is performed on this carousel system. It accommodates 40 cows, and they are milked 3 times a day. Generally, skimmed milk is recommended for kurt. It is first standardized. Pasteurization is conducted at a temperature of 74 to 76 degrees Celsius. Later, it is cooled to 28 degrees, and then the starter culture is introduced. The bacterial composition that triggers fermentation consists of pure cultures of mesophilic and thermophilic lactic streptococci. In other words, these lactic acid bacteria preserve all nutritional properties and are capable of suppressing pathogenic microflora. To manufacture kurt, we use only fresh, healthy milk. It is primarily tested in our laboratory. This is a mandatory requirement for the production of any dairy product at every enterprise. Once the product passes all tests and meets the necessary standards, we begin production. We strictly endeavor to preserve all centuries-old traditions of making our national product. Because the taste of kurt is an unforgettable sensation, familiar from childhood to all nomadic peoples, we try not to deviate from ancestral technology. After the starter is added to the milk, the raw material for the future kurt is left to mature for 12 to 14 hours. During this time, the milk ferments. Thermal processing is carried out at 85 degrees Celsius, and the product must be constantly stirred. Then the material is cooled and poured onto so-called serpiankas, cheesecloths. This allows excess liquid to drain off. The result is a thick curd mass, which is boiled with added salt, cooled, and rolled into small spheres or small oblong shapes. This creates fresh, not yet dried kurt. Since kurt is a salty product, we add 2% salt to every 10 kilograms of curd mass. This is sufficient for the product to achieve the desired flavor. This machine allows the curd and salt to be mixed thoroughly. This is a crucial stage as it allows the kurt to hold its shape. This usually takes 7 to 8 minutes. We mold the kurt by hand in the traditional way. There are technologies that eliminate manual labor, but we roll these spheres ourselves. We take approximately 15 grams, squeeze out the remaining liquid, and roll the kurt into a ball, giving it a round shape. Then comes the drying stage. The total time ranges from 30 minutes to 5 hours. After shaping our kurt, we send it to a specialized drying cabinet. The temperature here is always maintained at 25 to 28 degrees. This is equivalent to drying kurt in the sun. Drying times vary. For reference, 100 grams of kurt contained 3 grams of protein, 3.2 grams of calcium and phosphorus, as well as vitamins A1, B2, and D. At home, kurt is prepared slightly differently. When the milk sours, the resulting iron is poured into a thick canvas bag and hung to drain. This process lasts from a few hours to a full day depending on the volume. In appearance and taste, it resembles cottage cheese, and since salt is most often added to kurt, it results in a dense curd with a salty flavor. Today, various modifications of kurt have been created with the addition of sugar, jam, nuts, and much more. The quality of kurt varies by region. Why? Because it depends on the quality of the milk, which in turn depends on the grass. For example, in the south, the grass is very lush. Because of this, the milk quality and taste are quite different. In central Kazakhstan, our grass is salty. The land there is steppe, so the grass is different. Consequently, the milk quality is entirely different. This results in every region of Kazakhstan having its own unique flavor. Everyone says their local taste is better or more delicious. Regardless, kurt itself is a very beneficial product for the human body. Why? Because it contains many microelements necessary for the body. In ancient times, our ancestors consumed kurt. When they needed to restore the body, it was primarily eaten by children because they had growing bodies that required a lot of energy, all of which is contained in kurt. Fresh kurt spheres are spread out on a wide, flat dish or tray, covered with clean gauze, and placed in a warm, ventilated area. In summer, this process takes from a few days to a week. After being fully dried, kurt does not spoil. It may become harder, but it does not lose its flavor. On the contrary, it acquires a piquant taste. Once the kurt passes the drying stage, the finished products are weighed and packaged. The goods are mandatory tested in the laboratory. We are currently conducting an analysis of the kurt. We inspect the packaging. It is intact, whole, and dry. We select several pieces and examine the consistency of the spheres. You can see that there are no foreign impurities. The spheres are clean, without cracks or breaks. This kurt is ready for consumption. Today, the popularity of national products is experiencing a revival. A variety of kurt is appearing on store shelves. Manufacturers are exploring different production options, such as smoking or adding spices, to attract more consumer attention to their product. Kurt Irimshik is our pride. It was specifically kurt Irimshik of our production that was taken into orbit by our cosmonaut, Aydin Aimbetov, during his space odyssey.